Hello guys, so look what I found in Cabela's store in Buda, Texas. Taxidermized animals. Come on, join me. Ayan, si Madam Tess ng dagandahan. So lahat ng wild animals po rito ay makikita nyo sa loob ng tindahan na to. And makikita nyo na para talagang totoo, no? Na-preserve na maayos yung kanilang skin. And maybe you wonder kung ano yung mga procedure na ginawa. Try nyo po search sa Google kung paano, and it's really quite an art na paano nila nagawa ito.
Amazing.
So lahat po ng mga ito ay makikita nyo rin sa kanilang habitat na kung paano sila nabubuhay when they were alive. And of course, ang mga hayop na to, for your information, ito po yung mga namatay na, and they just preserve this using the taxidermy procedure. Hindi naman po sila ito hunted down, no? And of course, sa loob ng store na to ay makikita yung mga paraphernalias for hunting, for camping. Pero of course, it's quite expensive kasi meron silang ganitong attraction. So for your information, yung kanilang ginawang ito is to attract, of course, hunters. And these stores are found in any part of the world. So ito nga po, isa sa mga branches nila ay narito sa Buda, Texas, na malapit din sa Austin. So of course, I didn't dare to buy one, to buy anything because it's so expensive. So open naman po lahat ito, hindi lang doon sa gustong bumili. So kahit hindi naman bibili, is open din ito. So if you want to know about taxidermy, please go to Google and find it out. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye. Did you enjoy watching? Please like, follow, and share.